This is the finished product of teaching Toby how to cook. Here's the hamburger steak with all the seasoning.
And that?
Those little things are bacon bits. Here's his French fries. And over here he has some peas and carrots.
Can I try put some on?
So we're gonna put some peas and carrots on your plate.
Peas and carrots.
Okay, there you go. There.
And next, hamburger steak. Hamburger steak, just like that.
Hamburger steak. We're gonna put some of hamburger steak onto his French fries. Hold on, Toby.
Hey, push that over.
1 second.
I got some French fries.
Yeah, they're hot. Be careful.
I am. I just only use this one. Okay. Forget some.
Okay. Okay, there. You got your French fries.
I don't need it onto my peas.
Okay, and now we're gonna put some of this on top of the French fries.
And then peas.
And there's Toby's supper.